Hello, my name is Maripaz Gaibao. I am 19 years old and I am from San Marcos Sucres. I am a student and I really enjoy learning new things every day. I wake at 7, have breakfast and go to for work. I usually study in the morning and do some work in the afternoon. I like to relax, watch TV, or read a book. Now I go to distract to in picture a man is running in the park. He is wearing a white t-shirt, black short and sneakers. In picture, three people are cooking in kitchen. Thank you.